Experiencing no internet connection on your Straight Talk iPhone? The most common cause is incorrect access point name, APN settings. The APN acts as a gateway connecting your iPhone to Straight Talk's network. To fix this, manually configure your APN. First, navigate to Settings, Cellular Data Options, Cellular Network. Then, input the correct APN based on your network. Ensure all other APN fields are empty or set to default. Incorrect APN settings can prevent data access even if calls and texts work. If updating the APN doesn't restore your internet connection, try performing a network reset. This clears temporary network caches and forces your iPhone to reestablish connections. To reset, go to Settings General. Then select Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. Note, this will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords, so ensure you have them handy. A network reset resolves software conflicts, often caused by iOS updates or app interference. After the reset, your iPhone will restart. Reconnect to your Wi-Fi network and test your Straight Talk data connection. If issues persist after both APN configuration and network reset, contact Straight Talk support for further assistance.